Hi everyone, here is Asia Group Kanda Job Fair. Today we have a new job to introduce to you guys. Is this okay? The job description is the car maintenance, and the working area is in Aichi-Ken, Kasugai City, and the working time is 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. The salary is 210,000 until 350,000. And you have interest in, you can come our job fair in this. This is our fair time and this is our address, so you need to remember our fair time and the address, and also we have a phone number in here. Okay, so for the last thing, every day you can choose an interviewing company for 40 companies at the job fair, and you can interview 4 to 8 companies every day. The interview result will be available on the same day. That's all. Thanks.